Hello guys, so this is another exciting strategy that I'm gonna show you. We will use SoundCloud as our backdoor to get web traffic pretty easy. Look at this guys, the SoundCloud metrics, it's pretty consistent in terms of the organic traffic right here, and it's ranking for 8 million keywords right here. And if you see right here, the keywords, when you filter the keywords with healing frequencies, for example, there are a bunch of low competition keywords that you can use SoundCloud to rank this type of keywords. You can also do manifestation and lots of things. And I'm showing you guys, these are some frequency keywords, for example, healing frequency, best healing frequency, sleeping frequency, that you can use to rank on SoundCloud. And in SoundCloud, what's good about it, you can put a link in order for you to navigate them to your website, for example, or a ClickBank offer. So if you take a look at this ClickBank offer right here, we've got a pretty good number of manifestation or frequency offers that we can also put a link in our SoundCloud track. Okay, so I'm going to show you a real way on how you can do that. So this is very easy because I already prepared this automation in make.com, which will create a WordPress post. At the same time, it will create an audio, upload that to SoundCloud. It will create a nice, fully optimized description for this audio with the link going to your website or ClickBank offer, whatever, whichever way you want to set up this one. So let's run this sample automation right here so you can actually see what's going on. Let's do that. And there you go guys, our automation has successfully run. So now let's go to our SoundCloud profile page. So this is our SoundCloud profile page. As you can see, it's empty. So let's refresh this. And look at this guys, this is the track that has been created using this automation. Look at this, it automatically creates you a album featured image right here, and this is the track. Okay, so when you play that, even if I'm not sure guys think you are hearing this, but you can just visit this file here. I'm gonna send you the link to this file, and if you go to this track right here, if you check that, you'd see right here you can create your description here, which will help you rank pretty high, because this description right here will provide you a content that you can do in order for you to rank pretty well on Google, because this is the keyword right here in the description, and we have here the title of our track, which has been created automatically, and this is the short description. And look at this, we have the link going to our website. So if you click this link, so it goes to our website. In our website, it also created this post right here, automatically created the post right there. You can actually automatically change this, because at the moment the SoundCloud settings that I added is I just navigating it directly to the website homepage, but you can have it directly to the actual post, which you can easily change that. So here you have the SEO friendly article, so you can add your affiliate link right here going to your ClickBank product or anywhere else, as long as you're off the race, because you have this track on SoundCloud where you can have potentially good opportunity of ranking this keyword right here. So I'm gonna explain you how this workflow is doing. So what first thing that we need to do, we have to collect keywords, and here we will be fetching one keyword at a time from our Google Sheet. So we usually use this Google Sheet format, which I always show you whenever we need to do automation. So as you can see right here, it's marked as done because this is the first keyword that we generated earlier. Okay, so what you're gonna do is take a look at the keywords that we want to create as our sound trap in SoundCloud. So as you can see right here, the healing frequencies or sleeping sound, everything, okay, everything that all about frequency, manifestation, healing, things like that can be easily ranked on SoundCloud right here. Now, there are keywords here. I will also export these keywords, so you can use these guys if you want. There are keywords here that you want to create as, tracks. So for example, this one, 528HZ healing frequency. We can grab that. 432HC healing frequency. We can also create that as track B frequency healing. So those type of keyword right here can be easily ranked on SoundCloud right here. So yeah, this one, 174HZ healing frequency, we can check that as well. We can copy them and just dump those keywords right here in our format in our Google Sheet. Then just make sure you mark them as pending, because every time our automation runs, it will search for the keyword with this status as pending. Okay, that's how we set up our workflow right there. Now here in the workflow, the final workflow will just update the status to done. So it will just capture the next keyword once this automation runs. again. Okay, now this one right here, the second flow that we have here, we are actually creating an article going for our WordPress website, because the purpose of, we create track on SoundCloud is actually get some traffic. So if we want to get traffic to the article that we created, so we are actually creating this article using Article AI Generator. Guys, you don't have to use Article AI Generator, because if you can create using OpenAI, so you can have this setup. Maybe later I will show you the setup as well if we have some time. Now, going down here, what's good about it, it can simplify your work because you can directly generate an image right here, which you can reuse in your SoundCloud track right here. As you can see, we have a pretty nice featured image for our track right there. And at the same time, we have a pretty nice featured image for our WordPress post, which really save our time. Now, this is the setup. So we just capture the keyword from here, and yeah, we generate the image, and of course, all the instruction. If you want to generate an article using Article AI Generator, it's coming from here, Article AI Generator, and just go to App Secret Key. You can find all this instruction right here. So it will help you create this, SEO friendly article, and the formatting will help you rank on Google pretty well because it has the right number of words, and it's not a crappy article, although it's created using AI, but the basic structure of SEO are applied over here. Now that's the second step right there. Now the third step right here, we are going to post that to our WordPress. So I'm just using this third party, this one, the automation helper, to create a post to our WordPress website. So this one, you just need to follow this WordPress automation helper because it's straightforward. You can just simply pass the post title, post content, and if you have the image URL, it will create you a WordPress post. So this one, the identifier, will help you find which WordPress website you want to post the article, because here you can add your multiple WordPress website right here in AI automation helper. So you just need the identifier number right here, which are you can pass them as parameter. So here you have the header, content type. So just this one, all the instructions will be displayed here. As you can see, this is the request URL, this is the header parameter and the value, and you just pass this content right here, which are all set up here. So as you can see, username and then the identifier to point which WordPress website we're going to post. This post title will all, of course, coming from the generated data from here. Post content, of course, again, the content coming from here. Post status, if we want to publish or draft, and add image, of course, you want to add the image directly to your WordPress post, and then the image URL. So all in one in this, automation helper request. There is, a built-in WordPress module in make.com, but you need to do, I think, 2 to 3 steps more in order for you to post in your WordPress website. So I just want to avoid too many workflows here, and in that way also we can save our operation task. All right. Now here, get file, we are taking the image URL from here because we need a binary format. Why we need this is here in SoundCloud. When you are updating the artwork right here, you see the artwork is this one. This is their featured image of your track. So that's the artwork. It needs to be in binary format. That's why we need to have this get file to be able to convert our URL image to binary. And then we will map it right here. Now here, as you can see, the file, this is the OpenAI audio that we generated. Okay, so you can choose this OpenAI directly in the file, but I want to have it as map, because I want to separate the title and then the audio file. Okay, so because if you see, this will help you in your SEO. If you want the title right here, so as you can see the title right here, because I separated the title, so this is the actual title of our article or our keyword, then of course the output data will be coming from here. We are using the audio API from OpenAI. Okay, because if you map this, so it will just take the default file name of the audio file, which won't look good, okay, because that's a random file name of the audio file. And next thing is we are adding our description. So in the description, you can post the full article or just the first 500 characters. You can actually do that. Here, you don't actually need to do substring. You can post the entire article. So let's do that. So here is your link. For example, you want to navigate them to your website. Okay, let's do that for now. And if you want to post the full content of your website, so you just map the content right here. And the title, of course, you can do that there at the top. Okay, so this is how it gets formatted. And that's it. That's all you need for you to upload the track in SoundCloud. And then the label name, of course, you can use the same thing, the title. Okay, you click OK. And this one right here, you need your own API in OpenAI. So you can easily grab that, go to a platform.openai.com. You need to add your payment credentials right there in order for you to acquire your API key, and then put it right here if you want to generate this type of audio. So we are using this text to sound, text to speech model of OpenAI. Just this first one right here. We don't need to have this, high definition speech. We just need a basic one. And this one, it has a limit of 4,096 characters. So in this way, we will need to strict the HTML. At the same time, limit the data to 500 characters. For me, I'm just limiting the data to 500 characters, but you can make that 1000. It depends on how long you want your track right here. So as you can see, for 500 characters, it's 30 seconds. Okay, so 30 seconds for 500 characters. Okay, and you have here this description, which will be your article. The same thing as your article with a link going to your website or whichever link you want to navigate your point your visitor to click. Okay, now let's try that for this second keyword right here. Let's run the automation once more. Okay, again, our automation has successfully run. So let's take a look. So it's marked as done. Let's go to our SoundCloud profile. Go to our profile and refresh this page right here. Okay, and as you can see, there you go. This is our second keyword. This is our second track right here. So let's open that. We have 1 minute. So for 1000 characters, you will have 1 minute of audio right here, and this is the full content. Okay, so it has no limit. This description right here, it has the full content right here. This will also help you rank on Google, because as you can see, you have this nicely formatted description right there. You have the link to your website, and you're explaining actually how what all about your track, which is really good. You can also link this if you have the full audio of all this one. Put a link to your YouTube. If you have a YouTube channel, YouTube video, you can do that. You can put the link so they can listen to that track. Okay, so this will help you again acquire traffic. It's up to you guys how you gonna monetize this. If you want to get some ClickBank offer, if you want to monetize using paid ads. Okay, it depends how you're gonna do that. Display ads, I mean. But I'm not here to advise you what type of monetization you're gonna do. I'm just here to show you some quick strategy how you can acquire traffic. Okay, so in this way, I'm telling you that in SoundCloud you can do that. You can rank this keyword right here, as I showed you a lot of data which you can you just put, like for example this one, mantra. Let's say mantra. You can apply that and filter it accordingly. So here you can see there are 879 keywords using mantra. Look at this, Karya, Siddhi, Hanuman mantra. It's ranking using SoundCloud as well. So yeah, very easy to do. This formula right here, this strategy is for you guys to try out. Okay, now there are two things that I'm gonna give you. First is this blueprint right here, which I will provide in the link in the description below, and of course I'm gonna provide you some keywords right here which you can use if you want to create a blog post, whatever you need. These keywords right here, these keywords reports, I'm gonna provide you as well. Okay, so I hope you guys learned something from this strategy, and if you do, if you have any questions, please put your comment in and comment down below, and yeah, don't forget to leave a like. Thank you, and see you in the next one.